Okay, today's Sunday and I haven't been to sleep yet. It's 12:30 and I got a message saying that from Margaret saying that she doesn't think Eugene sorry, is my dad. She thinks it's Ophelia's oldest brother, which would make Ophelia my aunt, not my fourth cousin. So I just asked her if Maurice is still alive. Waiting. Maybe she's talking to Ophelia right now. Okay, not necessarily. Maurice is Ophelia's half-brother, as her mother's first husband had been killed. Maurice was murdered in the early 70s. Wow. So now they're trying to say it's a dead, like, I don't believe it. Hold on, I gotta itch my arm. So, I don't know how we're going to determine. I'm asking if she's got a photo. Because if he was killed in the early 70s, how would I even test to see if that's my dad? Like, who would I even test? It's her half-brother. Her mother's first husband had been killed. And watch it be that her mother and the husbands are all dead and Maurice is dead, so I can't even do any blood tests. That would be so fucked up. I believe it's Eugene. I really do. From what I have in my paperwork, that's what it is. But if Jewel was lying, then I don't have an idea. I'm so tired. I've been up for 20 hours. I swear to God, if I only get 3 or 4 hours of sleep again for the third day in a row, this is not going to be good. So, while I'm waiting for her to tell me or send me photos or figure this out, I'll message you back. I'll be back in a little bit. Welcome to my crazy world. Okay. Of course, I'm talking with Katrese about all of this that's going on. She's gonna call me. 3, 2, 1. Hello.
Hey, cousin.
Hey, cousin.
Yeah, they have to process the information. However, you know what I mean? However, it's not going to just make sense to them immediately, especially for somebody going through the motions of genealogy and DNA.
Yeah.
But I'm going to tell you why Maurice doesn't make sense. And it's going to be hard for you to explain this to them. When your DNA is tested and someone can you hear me? I'm in the basement. I want to
Yep.
make sure you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay. Yeah. When your DNA is tested and someone matches you based on the amount of centimorgans, or they call it the amount of centimorgans you have in common, that's how they can tell how closely you are related.
Right.
And they estimate. They say this person is, a second or third cousin or a fourth through whatever, because that's how they can say, oh, it's extremely likely,
because the numbers are high.
Right.
Yeah.
And when you look at ours, like we have like a ridiculous amount of centimorgans in common. So it's just like, okay, this should be easy to figure out. It's not that far down the line.
Right.
So when you start saying it's a half brother, the reason why that doesn't make sense is because, number one, the amount of centimorgans would be closer, because she'd be your aunt, right?
Yep. And he isn't a cook. He's not even on the bloodline.
But not only that, who, Ophelia?
No, the one that they're saying is my dad.
Oh, Maurice, right. But Maurice and Ophelia share
mother. Nope, mother.
Oh, they share the same mother, and their mother is a cook, right? Or their mother is a cook.
Their mother is a cook.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Cook. You could match Maurice, but you're not going to match Maurice as a father. You'd match Maurice as a third cousin, same as Ophelia. And the thing of it is, if Maurice has any children and you test them, you'll match them as a fourth cousin. But I'm going to tell you, when you look at Ophelia, your match with Ophelia, and it says third cousin, your most recent common ancestor, meaning the person that you two share in common in your family tree, and then make your way down. Isn't her mother? Is her mother's Mary Cook, right?
Let me see. I just had it pulled up.
Okay. It wouldn't be her mother Mary Cook, because Mary is an aunt to your dad. It would be Charles Cook, Mary's father. So your most recent common ancestor is 3 generations away. So there's no way it could be Maurice, because if it was Maurice, your most recent common ancestor would only be, your most recent common ancestor would be Mary. You understand what I mean?
Okay, Hattie. Hattie's her mom.
Okay, so if it was Maurice, and it says your most recent common ancestor, do you see that part where you look at you and Ophelia's match?
Oh.
I'm going to screenshot yours and mine, so you'll see.
Yeah.
If your most recent common ancestor, if it was Maurice, would be Hattie, Maurice's mother.
Even if she didn't have DNA in the system?
You and Ophelia. It would say that your most recent common ancestor is Hattie.
Okay.
If Maurice was your dad, Hattie would be your grandmother, Hattie would be her mother, and that would be your most recent common ancestor. And it would only be 2 generations away. It would only be 1 generation away from her, and she would show up as your aunt. That's a 1.5 generation difference.
Yeah.
That's only 1.5 degrees away. So there's no possible way it's Maurice. That's too close. If it was Maurice, your most recent common ancestor would be Hattie. And that's only one, that's only 1.5 generations. It's not, it couldn't be anybody that close.
Mm-hmm.
It has to be somebody, because your most recent common ancestor with her is like a great-great-grandfather. Then you somebody who was in that generation. Maurice is too old.
Right.
It doesn't like even make sense when she says it's Maurice. At first I was like, well, damn, if he's light skinned and he was in the service and et cetera, et cetera. But then it's like, no, because you'll match with Ophelia. It has to be one of her cousins.
Yeah.
It can't be her brother. It has to be a cousin. And if it's not Jean, then who else is named Jameson?
Right. And I'm thinking maybe she slept with all the brothers and she put a little bit of information of all the brothers in that description.
I mean, she did say it could be anybody, so maybe, who knows? She did say it could be anybody, and she legitimately,
Yeah, she said it could be any number of people. So,
okay, so,
yeah. But I made the mistake and sent Margaret those papers with the blackout.
oh, shit.
And she's like, he wasn't in the army and he wasn't light skinned. And I was like, that's not official paperwork.
And it didn't say that he was in the army. It said he was going to the army. He could have not gone to the army.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? And you know I memorized paperwork, so.
And yeah. And they never. And if they never actually interviewed the guy, or his name isn't on the original birth certificate, then they got third party information. It wasn't firsthand from the guy.
Yeah, so I mean, but if you're going to discredit anything she says, then you have to discredit all of what she said.
Right. But
then that means the name Jameson, all of that has to be discredited. If you can't believe any part of it, then you can't believe any of it.
But the DNA matches up for Jameson.
Like, well, I know the last name of one of the dudes. I'll just say this is his name. I don't want to really tell her that I was out hoeing or I got gang raped. Not gang raped, but you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to tell. Who knows?
Right.
Who fucking knows? And Jewel won't tell it. So there's like, I feel so stupid because.
But even if she was throwing it all out there, for it to pop up on Ancestry, that's not a coincidence.
It's not a coincidence. You are definitely a cook, and you are definitely the child of one of those cousins.
Yeah.
That is. There's no question. Now, okay, if this doesn't sound like this was Eugene Jameson, and you're telling me that he also was infertile, then, and you're telling me that his sister will not take a DNA test to confirm,
Yeah, I thought that was kind of weird too.
Are a familial match, then
for her
that's okay.
Yeah, for her to say that after she already told me that she went to Renee was the first person she told about me. That seemed kind of weird.
Yeah, now she's saying, Renee may not do it.
Yes, she's so standoff.
Renee would be like, my brother, his whole life thought he didn't have any children. And then he takes this test so we can find out. Because really, there would be no way. She would come up as your first degree relative, your aunt.
Right.
Come up as one and a half. It would be no question. Now, if she tests and she comes up as a cousin, then it would be like, well, sis, you're getting closer, but
right.
It wasn't Jean. You know what I mean? It wasn't Jean. It's somebody. It's one of the cousins.
Yeah, because she's actually the only one that could test. Because his mom and dad, that wouldn't help because there's so many brothers. Do you know what I mean?
No, his mom and dad would help. If either of his mom or dad are alive, they would definitely help because they would come up definitely as your grandparents. They are on your direct line. They wouldn't come out as like a possible third something. It would come up, boom, grandmother.
Yeah, but there's 5 boys. So I'd still be in the same boat. So that doesn't matter.
Oh,
But
oh
it,
no, no. You can't. Oh, yeah, you
yeah.
could be any of the five brothers.
Mhm.
Yeah, so you still need to vote. We know that they would come up as your grandparents. We know
Yeah.
that because based on how far away you match Ophelia, we know that that's your most recent common ancestor.
Right.
Agnes Cook is your most recent. Wait a minute, Agnes is her aunt, so it would be Agnes's father, right, Charles?
Um, is my grandfather? No,
I don't know who Agnes.
my
No,
grandfather.
Agnes married a Jemison. It would be Agnes's father. That's your most recent common ancestor, who is Charles, I think. So that's your most recent common
Yes.
ancestor because
Yes.
Agnes is her aunt, so Agnes is not her an ancestor of hers. Her ancestor is Charles, because Charles had Hattie and Hattie had Ophelia,
Yeah.
and Charles had Agnes and Agnes had Jean. You see what I'm saying? So it's Charles that's your most recent common ancestor. So there's no way it's more recent. Somebody has Charles had and so had the person who is your father.
Right. Yeah.
You know what I mean? It has to be Charles, so and your father. Your father is two generations from Charles, and that's based on how closely you match Ophelia, and that's just all to it. Because if it was anybody else who was on the same generation as Agnes and all of them, then it would be
But even Deja shows up, then Deja would be closer too because yeah, there's no way.
there's no way it's Maurice. So I mean, if she's saying it doesn't sound like him, and Renee doesn't want to test, maybe just then we'll have to work with Ophelia to get the rest of the boys' names. Not, and I'm sure it's way more.
Oh
I'm
wait,
sure there are way more.
oh wait, Ophelia's brother. Yeah, there's no way. My dad is
If it's
Ophelia's
the
brother.
Ophelia's brother, it has to be one of her cousins.
Mm.
It has to be one of her cousins, and so she needs to go down all those aunts and uncles, and and we need the names of all the boys. If you're telling me this doesn't sound like Gene Jameson, then we need to narrow it down because it's one of the cousins.
Oh, this is crazy.
I think that it is Jane.
I
I
need
think
to
if we
really
just
dig through. I want to get up right now and dig through all my stuff in storage, but I haven't even been to sleep yet. And I got
well, I guess not. That's what all it is, man.
and I got to
You
go to
said
work
it's not
tonight
him,
too.
and it's like, girl, it is him. Like, it's him. And if it's not him, then I need y'all to tell me who it is. It's one of these cousins.
Right.
So,
Right.
one of y'all cousins is my dad. So this is who I think it is. And if it isn't him, then let's talk about who it might be. Who else is still alive that we can talk to?
Yeah.
And then they're going to start shutting down. That's what's unfortunate. They're going to start shutting down because they're not getting it's getting into hurting people's feelings, which I don't understand why it would be.
Right. Well, she did say,
Really.
no matter what, you're still family, but she just wants to make sure.
So
But
yeah,
but
that's
yeah, maybe
true.
she's just having a moment and is contemplating all the what ifs.
Yeah, because that paperwork to her doesn't look definitive. She's looking at that like, what is this, John?
Well, I
Well,
gave her the paperwork
you know.
after she sent me the doubt that she was doubting it.
So she was doubting before the paperwork?
Yeah. Yeah.
Girl, shut up.
Yep.
Why? Because she could never have children?
Mm, she
Or
just
something
said
with
that
that?
he was close in age. Wait, let me see exactly what she said. Oh, I'm looking at your messages. Hold on.
Illinois. Because they could have easily been like, you know what, we're going to have Renee back.
She said, it dawned on me that Eugene was not the only cook male of that age. Ophelia's oldest brother, Maurice, was Jean's bestie and the same age. Did Jewel tell you that Eugene was your father? It's just curiosity. You are still family regardless.
Did you mention to her that Jewel said it could be any number of people?
No, I did not.
I would.
Huh?
I would not.
Okay, I was gonna say, cause
I wouldn't. Because you know they won't look at it like with scientific evidence. They'll be looking at it like, well, this could be anybody. This could be, you know.
Yeah.
This could be any relative. And it's like, no, it really can't be any relative. It could be one of these cousins.
Yeah, if we didn't have Ancestry, then we'd really be screwed. Then a lot of people would have to get DNA tested, but we'd have to do Polomori Povich. You are not the father.
It's really, and the thing of it is, Ancestry is only $59. Like, if you could just get, you know, I understand they want to be careful and don't want to have false information, and it's probably hard for her to understand because for the entirety of them being together, he said he couldn't have any children. She said she couldn't have any children. And, you know, so it probably does seem hard to understand. And then, you know, they were talking about it, and they were like, well, how, you know, people just don't understand. It's like, okay, well, the DNA says blah, blah, blah. But as far as they're concerned, the DNA just says that you're related to them. And as far as they're concerned, that means it can be anybody. But it isn't that simple. It can't be anybody based on how closely you match.
Right. Plus, him being...
the cousins, and the paperwork says Jameson. Now, if we don't believe what Jewel said, then that's something else. If we think she lied about a little bit of it, then we can't believe any of it. We can't even believe the name Jameson. For all we know, she didn't know what his real name even was. You know, I mean, but she telling the story like he wants to marry her.
Yeah.
You know, that she could have been lying. She could have been, but the fact that she said Jameson.
Yeah, I'm going to find those. I'll dig those papers out tomorrow morning.
But yeah, see, now she's going to be like, well, we don't know if this paperwork is true. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. But still, according to the cousin DNA and Ancestry, I don't think there was any. There was that one David one. What? Remember the first one? I thought it was Donald. Yeah. Yeah, that was listed as a son, and I think that was it for kids.
But that's all.
That they knew.
They weren't. That doesn't mean they did. Because I know, like, I only have like one person listed for some of my.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because I just didn't put all of my own kids on there. So you know.
Yeah.
I just didn't put them all on. So she may not have put them all on there. That's why I said you might need to talk to Ophelia and say, okay, let's go through your aunts and uncles and let's talk about your male cousins. And not just who she thinks it could be based on, oh, he likes me and he finds a kid, he wants to honor me.
But for me and Ophelia to have the same name, I kind of feel like Jewel knew her. Or of her.
Jewel knew Ophelia. But wouldn't Ophelia have told you this?
What?
Wouldn't Ophelia have told you this?
Mm.
That she knows of this girl?
Mm. But it is weird that we have the same, right?
Like, I just don't want you to start, like, speculating.
Ophelia's my mother. No, I'm just kidding. We were all wrong from the get-go.
Yeah, I don't want you to get pulled off track, but, speculating what Ophelia knows and doesn't know, and if she knew her. It's like, if Ophelia knew her, if you said the name, you told the story, she would have at least been like, wait a minute, I remember this girl by now.
Right.
You know what I mean? She would have at least said, I remember my cousin dating my friend from somewhere.
Right, because she said they all hung out. Like they were really, really tight.
And that's fine, but it's not doing us any good if you can't tell me. And you know what? This is what I don't want to do. If we're not going to believe Jameson written on this paper, then we're also not going to believe the light skin part. We're not going to believe the age.
Yeah.
We're not going to believe any of it. That means any of these cousins could be him. Because you can't believe he was 19 and he was light skinned, but then you don't believe his name was James. I mean, yes, there could have been some lies mixed in with her truth, but you have to start somewhere.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if I have a picture of all the brothers, because they had a singing group. Huh?
Did LC have any children?
Not on the Ancestry thing, I didn't see. But I don't think he was light skinned either. Hold on. I got a picture. Oh, that's a bad picture. We need to talk to Grandma. Grandma knows everything. We need to talk to Agnes. Grandmas always know what the hell's going on. I think, maybe. The what?
After the club or whatever.
Right.
Or whatever was going on. But yeah, I mean, now it's just like, hey, you're going to have to break it down to all of the cousins. And you have to find all of Ophelia's male cousins. It just can't be more stuff on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'll just wait and see what she comes up with later. And then Ophelia, I think she gets home later today or tomorrow. Oh yeah, tomorrow.
they wanted to be more reason because it says life.
Yeah.
We don't have a my phone is on 1%, so I'm going to charge it and I'll keep texting though.
Oh. Okay. Well, I gotta go to sleep.
Oh yeah, go to sleep.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get up probably about 7.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
This is crazy. Well, it's not crazy because I've had this information for a while. And I've been searching for a while, and they had no clue. And this has all been thrown at them in one day, so I understand it. And I'm tired. And I swear to God, if my neighbor knocks on my door, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna throw a bucket of water on him. Alright, I have to go to sleep. Good night. See you later. So I've been sitting here for a pretty long time staring at my grandmother's phone number. So scared to call. Like, why am I scared to call? Should we just do it? We'll do it. Why not? Just don't want to be too late. I'm gonna throw up. Oh, God. Maybe it just takes her a while to get to the phone.
Memory is full. No messages will be recorded.
Well, that sucks. Her voicemail's full. Oh, this is so frustrating. Like, it's frustrating. Okay, so I'm watching the videos as I'm uploading the ones that you guys have already seen. And I look at it like the cousin that lives here that I met, Andre. Why are you on AncestryDNA if you don't want to meet your family? Like, why are you even... I don't understand. Why would you be on there if... I don't know. And then, let me text. So the other cousin, Ophelia, that's in Vegas, I'm gonna text her and say, hope you had a good birthday and Thanksgiving, just thinking about you. See if we get any response off of that. Hope you had a good oops. Hope you had a good birthday and Thanksgiving. Period. Just thinking about you. I don't even know what to say to you guys. I don't know what to say to anybody right now. It sucks to keep getting rejected.